Wire harness to connect an aftermarket stereo receiver to select 1986 to 1997 Honda, Acura vehicles. Designed specifically to fit the compatible vehicles. Plugs into the factory harness without cutting any wires. Made from OEM quality materials. Connects an aftermarket stereo to the factory radio harnesses. Not compatible with factory amplified systems. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Manufactured with factory quality wire and connectors. Standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. Top reviews from the United States. Quick ship, works like a charm. No install issues. Wires color coding matched perfectperfectly with my 1998 Honda CRV. Great for my JDM Honda. I installed this on my Honda Beat PP1 and it worked fantastic. Direct plug-in.